Welcome back. Let's see our next problem statement, that is problem number 5. So this problem states that we have to convert the Avro data file that are stored at below HDFS location into tab delimited file. So they have provided us with the HDFS location, and the output requirement says that the result should be saved in HDFS at this location. The output file should be saved as tab delimited file in the bzip2 compression. And finally, the output should only consist of customer ID, customer name, and then they also have provided that in the customer name we just have to use the first 3 letters and then the customer last name. So this is our sample output. Like we have the customer ID, then a tab, then the customer first name, only the first 3 letters, and then the tab, and then the customer last name. Okay, so let me show you the solution for that before running that onto Spark Shell. I'm going to say spark.read.format Avro. So remember that whenever you are using the Avro file, you have to use the hyphen packages while opening your Spark Shell in the Google Cloud environment, but in the exam you don't need that. Okay, .load. So in the output requirement it was mentioned that we just need only the first 3 letters of my customer first name. So what I am doing here, I am taking the substring of column customer first name from 0th index till 3rd index. So this will give me only the first 3 letters of my customer first name. So whatever will be the result of this particular operation, I am putting the result back to the customer first name column using the with column API. Okay, and then I'm saying .write .option. So here the delimiter is tab delimiter, and then the option I'm using the compression as bzip2. The format is CSV. Save my output location. So this is a very simple straightforward question. The only thing that is different here is this with column API where I am making use of substring operation. Okay, so let me try to run this solution on the Spark Shell and let's see if we get the appropriate results or not. So let me run this solution on my Spark Shell. I just made a minor change here. Instead of the delimiter, I'm using the separator and then the tab sign, because in Spark 2.4 we cannot use delimiter. It will not give you any error, but it will not give you the proper result. So make sure you use .option separator. Okay, so let me run the solution on my Spark Shell now. So I'm inside my Spark Shell. I pasted my solution here. I'm going to run this now. So let's go to this output path and see if the output is correctly generated or not. So here you could see .csv, .bzip2 files. So let's see the content of one of the file. For that I'm going to make use of -text command because it's a zip compressed file. So -text can help here. So now I can see my data is tab separated. I got customer ID as the first record, and then customer first name, only 3 of the letters are appearing here because we made the use of substring method, and then my customer last name. So my output is as expected. So that was all for this question. Let me see you in the next lecture where we will solve our next problem statement.